So we're packing right now. We're going to Ilinița.
And we're coming climbing it tonight. Yeah, it's a 60-70 degrees. Ice, rocks. That little one is not at its best. But we'll make it happen, right?
Cool to be here with my dad and Rice. This is the first summit we do all together since probably September.
5, 4.
I can handle it. It gets better after a while, right? The crack, and then I try to move and I can't move. It hurts so much pain.
That's we need muscle mass.
Just some physical therapy after climbing a couple mountains. Some tendon pain a few times in the night. So yeah, right now I have to strengthen the arm. A lot of the muscle is gone, so it makes it a lot harder when I'm doing the technical work. It's quite risky. If I pull too hard, or if I move too quickly, I could be dislocated.
This is the last one.
Only physical therapy.
Only physical therapy and strength and muscle mass therapy. You have to do some exercises to get better your muscle. All the muscles are around the shoulder now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you.
Very much for trusting us.
Thank you. Thanks for the help.
So we're packing right now. We're going to Ilinița for 2 nights. 1 night tonight and tomorrow practice. I think we have 3 hours of hiking today. And then tomorrow night is the summit push. I haven't summited a mountain while I'm in Ecuador, so hopefully this is the first one, and it's gonna be the last one too before I head to Mount Everest, the highest mountain in the world. It rains all the time. It rains at like 2 p.m. like clockwork.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited. It's gonna be, it's really steep.
But we are here on our way to Ilinița South and Ilinița North. And it's just beautiful, the view is beautiful. So just eager to get to the refuge of Ilinița. And from tomorrow we'll start the big stuff, climbing these beasts.
Today we're going to take it pretty easy. We're going to do a few 100 meters of ascent to get to the shoulder of Ilinița Norte.
If for some magic, if we are very fast, which is doubtful, we'll go to the summit. If not, we just stay on the shoulder, as you were saying, because then what happens is that around midday you have lightning and things like that here. So we should be back in a refuge before we have that risk factor. Okay, so that's what we're doing. And on the top of that, we need to have some rest, because the big one is for tonight.
Well, my back is fucked. I think because of my shoulder issues, I had to put all the weight of my bag on my hips, and a lot of that pressure, carrying the oxygen as well. It's pretty heavy. I think I have to do it. I have to do it. I have to do it because I want to do it. I want to succeed. So I'd rather suffer now than suffer later and not be able to complete my goals.
Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been faking me out. Can't make you.
We just did some training here on Ilinița North, which is an easier mountain. And so we're going to get a nice view of what we'll be getting into. Ooh, mystical. Look at this. We're climbing this mountain, Ilinița South, and we're coming climbing it tonight. Yeah, it's a 60-70 degrees mountain. Ice, rocks.
We leave at 1 a.m. and I think around 6 hours of ascent, and then hopefully half the time to go down. So hopefully we reach the summit close to sunrise.
That little one is not at its best, but we'll make it happen, right?
Je pense que je pourrais le faire. Après, il faut un peu de chance aussi.
Problème de dos aussi comme ça. Après ouais. Mais ouais, je pense que ça va aller.
Bien sûr.
Ouais.
Faut avoir la foi.
En tout cas, j'espère que toi t'as raison. Rice, you awake?
Hey guys, time to get up.
It's 11:35.
So crazy. Shit, we're gonna be up all night.
Atmosphere. Irinesa North. Very technical mountain.
Super happy, first summit in Ecuador.
Cool to be here with my dad and Rice. This is the first summit we do all together since probably September in Madagascar from Peak Bobby. So this feels great.
Ouais!
Made it.
On l'a fait! Il est beau ce drapeau. Tu sais quoi, pris ce drapeau? Je suis fier de toi. Ça va ton épaule?
Ouais, ça va mieux.
Any
À 80%, 85%.
After that, kids. Mount Everest!
to the top of the world, guys! To the top of the world!
To the top of the world.
Gracias.
Well done, you guys.